Hello my dear friends, in today's video we're going to cover conditional or ternary operator. The conditional or ternary operator is the only JavaScript operator that takes three operands. So let's see the syntax. Here we have a condition which we are checking, then a question mark, and now we have a condition to execute. We have an expression to execute actually. If condition true followed by colon, then an expression to execute if a condition is false. So basically that's the syntax of a conditional operator. And now let's see it in action. In this particular example, I'm going to create some kind of deadline checker. So I'll say that we are checking if a date is actually if a deadline is due or is past or is today. So I'm creating a variable and say const and deadline is, and I'll say it's Wednesday, July 28th, 2021. So it's a date string, and now I'm generating a new date from JavaScript object. Let's say today equals new date and to date string. So this is a new date generated from JavaScript object, and this is actually format of our deadline. So it's a string and string in the same format, so we are able to compare them. And now I'll generate a variable, actually declare let deadline status equals to empty string. We'll use it later on. So if let's say if deadline is greater or equals to today, and we have to check again if deadline is today, I'll say deadline status equals today. Otherwise, deadline status not yet. And if it's not today or greater than today, it actually is past. So that's basically it. I'm missing some cons. Okay, so it says it's not yet. So today is 29th of July. So if I say okay, Thursday, July 28th, 29th, it says it's today. So this logic works. So this is it. And the main thing, how can we shorten this using the conditional operator? So basically I'll say const deadline count, which means deadline conditional equals, and now I'll check if deadline greater or equals today, then I'll check again deadline today. If it's today, I'll say today. Otherwise, I'll say not yet. And if it's not today, I'll say it's past. And now I have to call this. Say okay. So we have the same result as in this first way. So we have some if-else statements actually nested, and here we have a conditional operator which is also nested, and we can nest these conditional operators, but I suggest you to not nest them because sometimes they are unreadable, because if you have a lot of things inside. But if the simple things are like this, you can nest them. This is just a basic example how can you use this ternary operator to shorten your code and to make it a bit readable and to save on lines. Now we can remove or get rid of these 10 lines of code, and because we don't need these let's and the whole if-else statements. Okay, here as you can see now it is 4 to 5 lines of code to get everything we had in 15 lines of code. So I'll remove this and we'll get it like this. So because my editor is a bit zoomed, it is going below the line 3, but it is basically in 3 lines of code. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.